On the afternoon of May 20th, 2026, Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputies responded to a mental health crisis call at a home on North Orange Crest Avenue in unincorporated Azusa, California.
Hello?
911, what's your emergency?
My brother's trying to kill himself. He's having Orange Crest Avenue.
What is he doing?
I think he stabbed himself in the arm. I don't know. My dad's trying to stop him. He's out by a pool in the backyard. He has I don't know. I think he has a knife, like a kitchen knife in his hand.
Okay.
Yeah, my dad can't control him. I don't know what we're gonna do.
No, we're gonna send help, okay? Just stay on the...
I can't watch. He's just like poking himself in the arm with it. And it's like a kitchen knife. It's not super big, but...
Just a
Oh my God!
from the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay.
We think that he wants the cops to hurt him.
Okay.
It's what it's seeming like. It can't happen.
Arriving deputies gathered at an intersection south of the home before approaching the residence. Deputies were equipped with less lethal options, including a taser and a 12-gauge stun bag.
Best route to get there is on the right-hand side.
Deputy number 2 drove to the north side of the residence to help establish a perimeter. Flamino was believed to be in the backyard.
The gate to the right of the house, okay. The gate, we're able to shoot through there. The only entrance would be going through the house. Yeah, all that stuff.
Are there any? Right here. Anybody else in the house besides him? Okay. Okay.
As deputies discussed how to approach the residence and safely remove other occupants, Deputy number 2 reported that Flamino was walking in the front yard.
Have your phone on you? Can you, does have his? Can you call your tell him to come out?
Okay. That was it?
There's a guy walking out over here on this side.
What's he wearing?
Wearing a baseball hat.
Yeah, that's him.
That's him.
That's our DP.
Okay, he's at the gate.
Okay. Let's pull up real quick.
Seconds later, Flamino charged at Deputy number 2 while armed with a knife. Deputy number 2 discharged his service weapon, and the deputies south of the residence ran to assist him.
Hey! 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 Get a patch! Get a patch! Don't move! Don't move! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Crawl away! Crawl away! Crawl away! Crawl away! Crawl away! Drop the knife! Hey, give me your hands. Hands up! Hands up! Hands behind your back.
We're on the path. We're on the path. Okay, put your hands behind your back here.
Hey, it's the second house, right? The blue one? There's a guy walking out over here on this side. Wearing a baseball hat, black shirt, black shorts. Okay, he's at the gate. Hey, dude, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, he's coming up, guys. Hey, bring the stun bag. Stun bag. Stay on the ground. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, get back up. Back up. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, bro. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, give me your hands. Hands up. Hands up. Your hands behind your back.
We're on the path. We're on the path. Okay, put your hands behind your back here.
Give me your other hand. Give me your hand. What's your other hand?
Give me your hand.
Hold on, we get back up.
Count on. Count on. All right, give me a trauma kit for the car.
I have a tourniquet. What is that?
Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop the knife.
Delian Flamino, 38, was struck by gunfire and transported to a local hospital. The sheriff's department later reported that he was in stable condition. No deputies or bystanders were injured. A knife with an approximately 3-inch blade was recovered at the scene. The deputy who fired was identified as Jose Magana. The LASD Homicide Bureau is leading the investigation, with representatives from Internal Affairs, the Office of the Inspector General, and the District Attorney's Justice System Integrity Division monitoring the case. Once complete, the investigation will be forwarded to the District Attorney's Office to determine whether the use of force was lawful. The Sheriff's Department will then conduct an administrative review to evaluate the incident under department policy, procedures, and tactics.